Hello, everyone. Have a good day. Welcome to Ifixx Electronics. In today's video, we have Samsung S9 dead problem. When charger is plugged, it is consuming 0.8 amps, but no sign of life on screen. Check by removing battery. If amps drops, that means charging circuit is good. In our case, with battery or without battery, amps consumption is same. That indicate we might have short circuit in motherboard. For further testing, we'll remove the motherboard from housing and test under thermal camera.
Can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
After testing under thermal camera, we found the problem.
So right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't balling yet.
Camp Mu capacitor number C9049 VREF line is short to ground. Confirm with rosin smoke.
I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right.
Remove faulty capacitor and replace with new. After replacement, check phone. We can see the charging. Wait till battery charge. It can take little longer to charge than usual time. Turn on phone and check other functions like camera and etc. Repair done. Contact us to get your device repaired. Subscribe us if you like repair videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.